Hello students, my name is Diksha Avasthi. Today's video is based on the topic naming words nouns. I have already explained this chapter few days back, but today we are going to revise this chapter to make you understand better. So let's start. We will start with the definition of a noun. As you all know, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example: boy, hospital, lion, table, etc. These all are the examples of nouns. As you know, boy is a person, hospital is a place, lion is an animal and table is a thing. In other words, noun is also called naming word. Now we have types of nouns. There are 5 types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Let's understand the types of nouns in details. So here we have common noun. A common noun is a name common to all persons, places, animals or things of the same class or group, like teacher, city, tiger, computer, etc. These all are the examples of common noun. Next we have proper noun. A proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Particular person, place, animal or thing. Just look at the point which I am focusing. Like example, Narendra Modi is the name of a person. Prayagraj is the name of a place. Audi Q5 is the name of a car. So these all are the examples of proper noun. Just remember, proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Now we have collective noun. A collective noun is a name given to a collection of persons, places, animals or things, like a choir of singers, a library of books, a bunch of grapes, a shoal of fish, a mob of people. There are many examples of collective nouns. So here in this picture, choir and library, they are collective nouns. Now we will see what is a material noun. A material noun specifies the matter or substance of which things are made. Like, I have purchased a new leather purse. Purse is a thing which is made of leather. So leather is a material. Next we have cheese is made from milk. Cheese is made from milk. So here milk is the substance from which cheese is made. So milk is a material noun. And at last we will discuss about abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action or state that we cannot see, touch or taste. We can only feel and think about it, like honesty, bravery, friendship, love. They all are the examples of abstract noun. Let's solve this exercise. Here we have, write the kinds of nouns. First sentence we have, the book was lying on the table. Book is underlined and table is written in highlighted word. So book is a thing, it's a common noun, and table is also a thing, it's a common noun. So in this sentence we have 2 common nouns, book and table. Next we have, we cannot live without water. Water is a material noun here. Third, the jury has given its verdict. Jury is a collective noun, like jury of judges. So jury is a collective noun. Verdict is an abstract noun. Meaning of verdict is decision. In Hindi we say nirnay. Like, next we have the Hindus regard Krishna as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. What is the meaning of incarnation? In Hindi we say avatar. भगवान विष्णु का अवतार. The Hindus regard Krishna as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So in this sentence, Hindus and Krishna and Vishnu, they are proper noun. They are the name of a particular person or community, and incarnation is a common noun. Alcohol is injurious to health. Alcohol is material noun and health is an abstract noun. Next we have smoking is a bad habit. Habit is an abstract noun. Wild animals live in forest. Animals are common nouns and forest is also a common noun. We have not mentioned a name of a forest. If any name of the forest will be mentioned here, then it will be proper noun. Next, the childhood of Peter was full of misery. It's called misery, not misery. Childhood and misery is an abstract noun and Peter is a name of a person, so it is a proper noun. And you can see Peter first letter is written in capital letter. Next we have all the girls were singing. Girls, common noun. Gold is a precious metal. Metal is a common noun and gold is a material noun. And next we have rice is the staple food of South Indians. Rice is material noun. Food is common noun and Indian, it's a proper noun.